What's up, everybody? I'm going to show you how to do makeup on your eyes with just your fingers without any brushes. Am I against makeup brushes? Of course not. But I've gotten so used to using my fingers on the go that it just works for me. And not only that, it helps to impart a softer, more subtle look for every day. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my base color. So it's a highlight. I got this from Han Skincare Cosmetics. It's in the color Celebrate. It's a beautiful champagne shade. I usually take my middle finger, I swirl it, and then I just go way up to the brow bone. I find that the finger deposits more pigment, which is really another reason why I am partial to using my fingers when it comes to applying eyeshadow. So next, for the lid color, I have Makeup by Mario Quad Palette, and it's in Rosy Glam. It's the Glam Quads collection. So I'm gonna take this gorgeous silver shade. It kind of goes with the overall like purple silver look. So I'm just gonna take, I take my ring finger or my middle finger, but I'll just go with the middle finger. Again, see how the finger takes up so much pigment? And then I deposit that color like that. And I find that it looks more brilliant than a brush. The color looks a little more brilliant. See how pretty that is? And I'm just gonna take it to the other eye too. Just on the eyeball. And if a little bit gets in the corner, that's okay. This does not need to be perfect because the end result is gonna look beautiful. Next, I'm gonna take this color here. It's like a dusty, rosy kind of plum color. And I'm going to use my index finger or your middle finger. And I'm gonna actually mix it with this silver shade to give it like a silvery plum color. But it's just a little bit, just to kind of alter the color. Until you've reached your desired shade. So you can kind of build, you know what I mean? See? Now it's not pure silver. Now it's like more of a metallic-y plum. And that's what I'm going for because we are doing a purple eye today. But purple where it's daytime appropriate, work appropriate, and you can take it straight to a happy hour right after the office. Okay, so this is the fun part where it becomes smoky. So I'm gonna take this deep purple in the corner with my ring finger, and I'm just gonna kind of go like this, close my eye. In the very corner, I just kind of pat on the very outer edge of the eye. And again, you can build. You can, a little goes kind of a long way. And it's very buildable, so you don't have to deposit a lot of color at once. You can just build, 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 because it's easier to add on than to take away. So again, my ring finger, outer corner. And as you can see, as I'm patting it, it's giving it a nice, soft, blended, smoky eye without having to worry about any brushes or anything like that. And I take it to the other side. Again, the ring finger, outer corner, pat it in a little rigorously. See, I'm already getting that smoky eye effect. It's very subtle, but you can see it's becoming a little smoky. And again, just build on as you want. Okay, so I finished my eyeshadow smoky eye, and now I'm ready to do liquid liner on the top lid. So I have the Shop Miss A liquid liner, and it's in the color purple. Now, what I love about Shop Miss A is that everything is $1 or $5 or less. It's amazing, and it's high quality. So I'm gonna take the purple liquid liner, and we're gonna kind of just, extend it out just a little bit. And then we're gonna do the other side. So just take that beautiful purple liquid liner. And the cool thing about purple is that it works for most skin tones. So as you can see, it's starting to look really nice. Next, I have my Urban Decay pencil liner in the color Vice. Now, this color I'm not extremely happy with because it makes me look a little bit sick. There's just something about the purple shade, I don't know. But when I've worn it before, I looked a little weird. But what I'm gonna do, I'm still gonna go ahead and apply it on my inner rim. If I'm not happy with this color, I can always go over it with a dark purple to make it a purple blue, just to adjust it and make it nice according to my skin tone. Okay, so I got the purple liner on the lower inner rim. It's not too bad, but I'm still gonna take my dark blue pencil in Dose of Colors in dark blue, just over it, just to make it like a purpley blue. Next, I'm going to apply some falsies, and again, this is from Shop Miss A, and it's in Alexis. Amazing, they're comfortable, they are way better than Ardell, in my opinion. And no, this video is not sponsored. This is the finished look, and I will put in the description box the rest of what I'm wearing on my face in terms of foundation, blush, lip liner, and lipstick. Very easy to do, and again, I just used my fingers.